Welcome to English Listening Practice. This video is designed for learners of all levels. Listen carefully and try to understand the story. Let's begin. On Saturday morning, Lena woke up early because she needed to go to the city library. She wanted to borrow a new English book, and she also wanted to print some papers for her job. The weather was cool and the sky was gray, but Lena felt happy. She made tea, ate a piece of bread, and checked the time. At 9:10, she left her small apartment in Brookfield and walked to the bus stop on Maple Street. She listened to quiet music and looked at the shops. When she arrived, she saw 3 people waiting for the bus. A man read the news on his phone, and an old woman held a shopping bag. A teenage boy stood near the bench and looked at the road. The bus came at 9:18. Lena stepped forward and opened her bag to take her bus card. She touched her keys and her phone, but she did not feel her wallet. She checked again, and then her stomach felt cold. Her wallet was not there. Lena started to feel nervous because her wallet had her ID card, her bank card, and some cash. She also had a small photo of her sister inside. She looked at the ground near her feet, and she looked under the bench, but she did not see it. The bus driver opened the door and said, "Are you getting on?" "I'm sorry," Lena said. "I can't find my wallet." The driver waited for a moment, but other people wanted to enter. Lena stepped back, and the bus left. She felt upset and a little angry with herself, because she usually kept her wallet in the same pocket. She took a deep breath and tried to think clearly. First, Lena checked her bag again, slowly. She moved her notebook, her water bottle, and her pens. Nothing. Then she remembered something. At home, she took out her trash before she left. She held the trash bag in one hand and her wallet in the other, because she paid a delivery person the night before. Maybe she dropped it near the building door. Lena started to walk back quickly. She did not run, but her steps were fast. When she reached her building, she looked near the front steps. She saw a brown wallet on the ground, close to a small tree. Her heart jumped. But the wallet was not alone. The teenage boy from the bus stop stood near it. He looked at Lena and said, "Is this yours?" "Yes," Lena said. She felt relief, but her voice was still shaky. "I saw it on the ground," the boy said. "I think it fell out when you walked past. I picked it up and I wanted to give it to you, but the bus came, so I followed you." Lena opened the wallet with careful hands. Everything was inside. Her ID card was there, and the photo of her sister was safe. "Thank you," Lena said. "You helped me a lot." The boy smiled. "No problem. My name is Ethan." "I'm Lena," she said. "I was really worried." They walked back to the bus stop together. Lena held her wallet in her hand. When the next bus arrived, she got on, paid, and sat down. She still felt a little tired from the stress, but she also felt grateful, because a small kind action saved her day. Thank you for listening and practicing English with us. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. See you in the next video.